TripleChip here. This is down the hatch too. Just doing another Dairy Queen Blizzard. Just looking at my card, I still got 37 left. I missed one the other week because it was too darn cold to go uptown. So this isn't out of order. Just got this one today. It's February 3rd. And this is the one for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to say this is number 2 so I can put it up right away. This is the Red Velvet Blizzard. I don't know what that's in there yet because I haven't tried it. But I guess these have been around before, so let's just try it and see how it is. I get a red velvet cake. I think those might be cake chunks. Yeah, it's not chocolate chips. Can't really make out what the taste is. Nothing really special, but if you really want to disappoint your Valentine, just go get one of these. You'll have a really unpleasant Valentine's Day. I don't know, to me it just tastes like regular ice cream. It's nothing like all the other blizzards I've had, so I'd say to me this is thumbs down. This is nothing special, especially paying $6 for this. This is one I wouldn't recommend. We go out and try it anyhow because it's only around for the month of February. Then she's gone. So, if you like these vlogs and you're still watching, if you could please subscribe because you like watching them. So y'all have a great month, especially good Valentine's Day, but I don't recommend getting these for Valentine's Day. That's a must avoid. Unless you're just getting it for yourself. Or you're getting her something else on top. Or him. Or whoever. So until next time, this has been TripleChip. And when you're eating, make sure you're happy eating. It's one of life's few pleasures that we got that doesn't really cost much. Catch you in the next one, because this one's over.